I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only...
Hey everyone, I'm so excited because I just got home from work and I found this Planner Society kit on my front porch and I'm going to do an unboxing video. But I would love if you could stick around until the end of the video and then vote or comment down below for how you want to see me use this kit. So before, I've done monthly spreads, I've done weekly spreads. In the Happy Planner, I've made dashboards, but maybe there's something else that you want to see me use this kit for, like an insert or something else. So just comment down below your idea, and I'm gonna pick one idea, and I'll do that in an upcoming video.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this.
I have been saving up for this kit for over a year, so I am so excited. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. First, we have this beautiful pencil case or pen case. These are great for holding things like my Inkjoy pens or my Papermate flares that I use in my planner. And I also take these to work. I have a desk at work where I like to separate my mild liners from my other pens, and these work great for that. These planner clips are gorgeous. They look like they're meant to be butterflies. And I'm loving this plaid that she has for this month. There is this gorgeous pen with this beautiful floral pattern on it and washi with some gold foil on it. And then there's this stencil with alphabet letters and some banner shapes. So along with the normal die cuts, there are these larger cards which could be useful for decorating a dashboard, so you could punch holes in the side here and maybe attach a shopping list on the back or some sort of list that you need for that week. These are clear stamps with boxes, and then it looks like you stamp your title within this open space. It seems like it would be a great size for using as a title for the boxes on the weekly spread in the Happy Planner. These stickers have beautiful gold foil on them.
You can get, show me your love, leave me breathless.
And this is something that's really different that I've never seen before in her kits. So it looks like these are some sticky notes. There's one that even says meal plan, which would be very useful. This is a notepad which says Monday through Sunday, but then at the bottom it says weekly goals, top 3 priorities, and don't forget. Something like this would be great for meal planning or maybe keeping track of your family's weekly schedule. And you could put it in an accessible place for your entire family. Maybe you have a command center in your home. I think these are meant to be used as dividers, or you could attach it to a bookmark that you place into your planner, and then this top part peeks out of the planner. These are on clear vellum. I think these would work great if you punched Happy Planner holes in the side. You could use it as like a bookmark. Maybe you could have like your routines here, and you can use this as a routine tracker and check off the items and then wipe it off with a wet paper towel. Normally, or at least a year ago, they would come as these paper tabs, but it seems like these are actually stickers. So that's great, because if you've seen before, I use these Planner Society tabs on old Happy Planner dividers. Normally I have to add adhesive tape to get them to stick to the dividers, but because these are stickers, they should automatically stick on. So that's really great. And then they come with labels, but I personally just print out the labels onto some clear sticker paper and attach, because these are not necessarily the labels that I need in my planner. These are pre-cut envelopes, so you could slip something like maybe like a gift card and give this away to someone, or if you want to use it in your planner, you could punch holes in the side. And I think that I used something like this in one of my previous Planner Society videos as the insert. These are lace stickers. So you can see here there's this lace, beautiful lace pattern, and they also have gold foil dots on them. I used something like this, I think it was for my December monthly. These are beautiful glitter alphabet stickers, which I love using on a monthly spread, but I also like to use these on cards and inserts.
Behind the mirrors and all that smoke, promises and alibis.
Now please leave a comment down below with your vote for how you would like to see me use this kit in a planner related way. Maybe you want to see a monthly, weekly spread, or an insert, or a dashboard, or just something different completely that I've never done before. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
Still you're giving me nothing.